Good day from the Office of the Mob Justice Football Nedbank Cup as part of celebrating 18th edition supporting the football in South Africa. They've just confirmed the dates, venue, time for the semi-final fixtures of the Nedbank Cup. All fixtures are going to happen on 13th of April 2025. First match, it's Orlando Pirates versus Marumo Gallants, which is going to take place at Orlando Stadium at 1500. Second match, it's Mamelodi Sundowns versus Kaizer Chiefs, which is going to take place at Loftus Versfeld at 1800. All these tickets are going to be sold at 80 bucks, so it's 80 rand per ticket for all this match. So just make sure that you catch all these two matches. Other one is at Orlando, other one is at Loftus Versfeld. Orlando Pirates, the defending champions. Marumo Gallants, it's going as an underdog to this tournament, and we know what does underdogs does. Mamelodi Sundowns, what can I say? They want to win their first trophy. Meanwhile, Kaizer Chiefs is Nedbank is their last hope. Who's going to win it? Who really need it most? We are yet to see it on the 13th of April. We just wanted to say thank you, Nedbank. Kiona, Yona Yarona. Thank you for 18 years of sticking with us. You've been marvelous. We appreciate you, Nedbank.